शरीरे जर्जरी भूते व्याधिग्रस्ते कलेबरे औषधं जाह्नवी तोयं वैद्यो नारायणो हरिः. A popular Sanskrit quote thus describes that when the human body tumbles down ridden with disease, the medicine given by a doctor turns as remedial and sacred as the waters of river Ganga, and the doctor turns congruous with Lord Hari himself. Doctors are those blessed souls bestowed with the magical powers to treat lives, bring health, and make the world better, bringing the joy of health and goodness to everyone's life. One such divine sanction emerged in the urban sprawl of Namma Bengaluru is Dr. Harish Institute of Minimal Access Surgery, popularly known as HIMARS. HIMARS is a scientific organization for treatment, training, and research in the field of minimal access surgery and gastroenterology. It is a non-profit organization registered under HIMARS Charitable Trust. HIMARS is a super specialty surgical center providing state-of-art technologies in the field of minimal access surgery, gastroenterology, cancer surgery, and urology, and it is based at Basavanagudi in Bengaluru. Ever since its inception in January 2017, HIMARS has served and treated more than 10,000 patients with best quality services at affordable charges and even free of cost for some. HIMARS has commendably and successfully achieved more than 1,000 economically feasible surgeries and 150 free surgeries. With its multi-pronged approach and wide network of doctors, HIMARS has expanded its wings to various parts of Karnataka. HIMARS has endued training facilities for innumerable young surgeons in the field of endoscopy, colonoscopy, and laparoscopy. More than 100 surgeons have acquired free training at HIMARS with its motive of mutual training by a fellow surgeon. Some of such trainings organized are continuing medical education for general practitioner held on 27th September 2018 at Hotel La Marvilla, continuing medical education for Karnataka Registered Medical Practitioner Association, continuing medical education on gastritis held on 11th May 2019 at Hotel Ibis, the basic endoscopy course held on 18th and 19th January 2020 at Prime Healthcare Center, continuing medical education held on 18th January 2020 at Bangalore City Institute, free surgical disease education and screening program in association with Vikasa NGO, held on 5th February 2020 at Prime Healthcare Center, paramedical training in association with Dynamic Company, held on 25th October 2021.
Shrikar, I am a consultant surgeon, and Dr. Harish has been very kind to invite me for a hands-on session for first of its course in upper GI endoscopy training in Bangalore.
I am Dr. Nagaprasad. I have come down from Kolegal, Chamarajanagar district for this training program. This is a very informative and very useful program. Since Kolegal is a very remote place and backward district, we have a lot of cases for this early investigation to do the cases. Since centers like this, they have started the intense program for endoscopy, mainly screening and all. It is very useful for us for this for our rural places, because these trainings will not be given to us during our post-graduation days and all. Later on only we have to learn all these things.
This is Dr. Sharan. I'm a general surgeon from BBMP hospital. Grade 3 itis hernia also, and I learned about how to do the J maneuver, and also it was like very friendly environment, and I learned like from the basics, and I got a simulator of.
HIMARS is widely instrumental in serving the rural population by conducting free camps at remote villages. Till date, more than 100 camps have been conducted at various regions of Karnataka, and a population of more than 10,000 has also been offered free medicines. Camps are conducted to screen diseases at their early stage, and the patients who need super specialty care are brought to Bangalore and treated at various hospitals at affordable cost. Few such camps organized by HIMARS are Free Surgical Camp, held on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October 2017 at Prime Healthcare Center, Free Mega Health Camp, held in February 2018 at Prime Healthcare Center, Free Women Health Camp, held between 7th March and 27th March 2018 at Prime Healthcare Center, Free Health Camp, held between 1st January and 6th January 2019 at Prime Healthcare Center, Free Hernia Camp, held on 13th June 2020, Proctology Camp, held on 11th April 2021 at Nidasali Village, Tumkur District, Free Super Speciality Camp, held on 19th September 2021 at Taghalli Village, Mandya District.
Hello, my name is Dhruva Rao. I just wanted to get my endoscopy done. It was a free camp which is being organized by Dr. Harish for today and tomorrow, and I really appreciate the effort of Dr. Harish in getting this program organized.
Sudarshan ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು assistant engineer in the telecommunication department. He was really helpful. ನಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಬಹುಶಃ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಿರಋಣಿಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ದುಡ್ಡಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಟೇಕನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ದಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಕೂಡ. ಅದು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾಫು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಫು ದೇ ವರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕರ್ಚಿಯಸ್. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಲಿ ನೋ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹೈಲಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್. ಅವರ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜೀಜ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ, ಉಳಿದ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅನಸ್ತೀಸ್ಟ್, ಉಳಿದ ಸರ್ಜನ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಶರತ್ ಪವಾರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಚಿರಋಣಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಹಳ ಗುಡ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್.
HIMARS has always been across the board in investing new technologies, conducting research, and creating awareness in the field of minimal access surgery. With an immense desire to expand its service to remote population, HIMARS has launched the HIMARS Free Super Speciality Clinic at Nidasale, a village situated in Tumkur district, which caters to a population base of around 6,000. HIMARS has also associated with Venlock Hospital, Bengaluru, where they have set up an exclusive infrastructure for advanced treatment and training in various surgical disciplines. Also, in order to upgrade rural healthcare, HIMARS is all set to establish HIMARS Global Hospital, a super specialty hospital with state-of-the-art technology at Nidasali village, which would cater to more than 10,000 rural population. With all the perseverance and dedication, HIMARS is efficiently setting up a benchmark and promises a future with high-quality surgical infrastructure to various hospitals, facilitating super specialty healthcare at affordable costs, state-of-the-art training to provide training in advanced surgical fields, and introduction of latest technology to aspiring young surgeons, and also to surgeons working in rural areas. HIMARS is deeply grateful to all involved in the HIMARS evolution to healthcare revolution.